So in this question, you're asked to divide 3x to the power 5 plus 6x square plus 5x minus 2 with x cube minus 2x square plus 5. So we'll directly use the shortest horns process. So first let us write all the coefficients. X power 5 coefficient is 3. X power 4 is missing, so the coefficient is 0. X cube is missing, so the coefficient is 0. X square is 6. X 5 and the constant is minus 2. And let us write the numbers correspond to the divisor. The leading coefficient is 1, so I don't need to write it. And all the other coefficients, just change the sign and write. So you have minus 2x square, you write plus 2. X coefficient is 0, so you write 0. The constant term is plus 5, so just write minus 5. Now let us start our division process. So because the leading coefficient is 1, just get whatever number is here down. So 3. Now multiply this with all the 3 numbers. 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 minus 5s are minus 15. Now 0 plus 6 is 6. Now use the 6 and multiply all this. 6 2s are 12, 6 zeros are 0, 6 minus 5s are minus 30. Now add all this. 0 plus 12 is 12. Now using this 12, do the multiplication. 12 2s are 24, 12 zeros are 0, 12 minus 5s are minus 60. So hence the division process is done. Once you reach to the last column, the division process done. Now add all this. 24 plus 6 is 30, minus 15 is 15. Next, 5 minus 30 is minus 25, and minus 2 minus 60. Minus 2 minus 60 is minus 62. Now as you can see, you are dividing a fifth degree with a cubic equation. You are dividing a fifth degree with a cubic equation. So what is the degree of the quotient? The degree of the quotient is a quadratic, right? That means you should have 3 numbers. So the first 3 numbers correspond to the quotient and the next 3 numbers correspond to the remainder. So the other way of trying to understand this is how many, whatever are the number of numbers that are there here, those many numbers goes to the remainder. If you have a linear factor, you have only one number here, so only one number goes to the remainder. If you have a quadratic, you get 2 numbers here, so 2 numbers are there in the remainder. 3 numbers, 3 numbers. So the quotient is nothing but 3x square plus 6x plus 12, and the remainder is nothing but 15x square minus 25x minus 62. So I can write the polynomial as divisor into this plus this. So I hope the process is clear.